Okay, boys and girls, just as a reminder, we started our unit yesterday on informational text, and we know that informational text informs the readers about a topic, and informational text helps to convey specific types of information that an author oftentimes uses different text structures. If you look here at the anchor chart here, number 18, we have comparison and contrast, cause and effect, problem solution, and sequential order. Okay? And so I want us to look at comparison and contrast first. You guys have seen the Venn diagrams before, and the purpose of the comparison and contrast text structure is to describe how things are alike and different. You may see transition words such as but, both, however, and. Looking at the cause and effect structure, the purpose is to explain what happened and why something happened. And these are just a few of the transition or clue words that you might see throughout the informational text to help you identify this particular text structure. The next one is problem and solution. Problem and solution shows a problem and then how it is solved. A few of the transition words are problem, solution, in light of, propose, and suggest. Our next one is sequential or logical order. Those words can be used synonymously, meaning they mean the same thing. So you may hear me say sequential or you may hear me say logical order. This particular text structure is used to explain events in time order or in order of importance. Some transitional words that you may see as you are reading an informational text with this particular type of text structure is before, first, next, then, last, after, finally, and most importantly. These are those time order words that we most likely will see here in our text for this week. We've been reading the informational text hurricanes, and hurricanes is a little bit different in that it includes different types of text structures to explain the killer storms that we read about on yesterday, or that we began to read about on yesterday. The author chooses a different text structure based on the type of information that he or she wants to convey to us about these killer storms. Okay? They may use text structure, one particular text structure for the entire text, and sometimes authors may use more than one. So we have to be on the lookout for that. It may be in just a particular section, a particular paragraph, or even a single sentence. So today, again, our focus is, as we continue to read hurricanes, we are going to try and see if we can identify the different text structures that the authors used in our reading for today. And again, just as a quick reminder, please make sure that you have your reading journals with you each day. Make sure that your cameras are on and that your computers are charged to 100% so that you guys can continue to participate with us and share your thoughts as we continue to read about these killer storms.